Alright, so welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the CVJ CS8. And in my unboxing, I was really surprised by it because for the price that you are paying for, around $20, you're getting 4 drivers per side, which is really interesting. And when I listened to it, it did remind me of the ZSN Pro X. So we are gonna compare it now to the Pro X. Which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you wanna get one, use my links down in the comments below. It will help out the channel a lot. And let's start the sound test now.
Admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.